Well, it is not every day that we get to be a part of such a special moment, but that is exactly what happened here at Cutler Elementary School when a preschooler's day went from ordinary to extraordinary by story time. Army Specialist Joshua Turner spent the last 8 months in Afghanistan, the whole time missing his family.
I think that's the hardest part of being in the Army. I can deal with the danger and all that, but it's definitely makes everything a lot more difficult.
And his family has missed him too.
He's been crying in the morning, waking up, asking for daddy, and when is he going to see him again? Is he going to see him play t-ball?
5-year-old Elijah has no idea his dad is just yards away. He doesn't even know he's coming home.
It's going to be a surprise for both of us just to see how he reacts, I think.
Are you nervous?
Yeah, I'm a little nervous.
Here's how it's going to work. Josh and Stephanie are in this office behind me here. They're going to sit here and watch everything that happens. The kids are outside playing right now. They're going to come in just a minute and have story time. And on the last sentence, that's when Josh will come in and surprise Elijah.
No matter where I am, near or far, I will always believe.
I have one amazing son to come home to. Elijah. Hi, buddy. Hi.
Go ahead.
Come here.
Who is it? It's your dad.
I love you. I've been waiting to see my family for what seems like so long now.
You keep hugging Daddy. How come?
Because
Why?
they missed him.
Elijah says what he missed the most.
Him doing push-ups of me.
Anything you want to say to him now that he's here? What? A special secret between a boy and his dad, who are now off to make up for 8 months of no push-ups. Reporting in Cutler, Ashley Ritchie, KMPH News.